Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making the shell. Put on the black hoodie and measure a 30-40 cm oval on white felt for the belly. This creates the penguin's central contrast. Once done, cut the felt with sharp fabric scissors and test the size by pinning it to the hoodie. Make adjustments so the oval sits centered. You should also trace beak and foot templates onto orange foam now, because having those ready speeds assembly and keeps shapes consistent for symmetry. You attach the belly panel next. Align it again, then either hot glue the edges, leaving the neckline movable, or sew a quick running stitch for durability. Once secured, reshape the sleeves into wings by trimming the lower seam and folding an inch of interfacing inside to keep them floppy but controlled. Make sure to add 3 buttons or stitched ridges down the center to suggest the penguin's chest. This both hides seams and adds charming texture when you move. You finish by making the head and feet. Fold the orange foam beak and glue it to a headband or the hood center, then reinforce with a small strip inside so it holds shape. Once done, double layer the feet templates, sew an elastic loop to slip over shoes, and test walking motion. If wings droop or pull away, add a small strip of interfacing beneath the seam or secure with a button anchor. This prevents sagging and keeps the silhouette crisp.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.